Hey guys, it's Amber with ASR Custom Designs. I'm going to show you how to apply a vinyl sticker paper to your composition notebook. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to peel the backing like this, and you're going to place it as close to the black border as you can. And then you're going to take your squeegee like this, and you're going to press it down and roll it until you get all the air bubbles out. Next, you're going to flip it over, and you're going to take the same thing with the backing, peel it down, crease it, and then apply it just like you did on the front. And also use your squeegee again to get the air bubbles out of the back. Next, you're going to take your X-Acto knife and you're going to trim the edges and get all the hangovers cut off like this on the sides and the corners and everything. And then once you have the front done, you'll go ahead and you will flip it over and you will do the back side like the same way you did on the front, making sure you don't cut the actual notebook itself. So you gotta take it pretty slow to do that. And then go around the corner easily. And then you are done. There's your pretty composition notebook. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.